Home renovation trends are notoriously cyclical. We look back at the avocado green appliances of the 1970s, the honey oak cathedrals of the 1990s, and the heavy Tuscan glazing of the early 2000s with a mix of nostalgia and regret. These styles, once the pinnacle of luxury, now serve as unmistakable timestamps that date a home the moment you walk through the door. In contrast, the minimalist kitchen sits outside this churn of ephemeral trends. It acts as the little black dress of interior design, simple, elegant, and appropriate for every occasion. But why does this specific aesthetic possess such staying power? Minimalism's longevity isn't accidental. It is rooted in architectural principles that prioritize function, light, and proportion over decoration. By stripping away the superfluous, minimalism reveals the essential, creating a space that feels as relevant today as it will 20 years from now. Here is why a minimalist kitchen is the most timeless choice you can make for your home. 1. The rejection of aesthetic fatigue. The primary reason design trends die is aesthetic fatigue. Human beings are wired to notice novelty. When a bold new trend hits, like patterned cement tiles or rose gold hardware, it feels fresh and exciting. However, because it is so visually stimulating, the brain eventually grows tired of it. The bolder the design choice, the faster the fatigue sets in. The neutral canvas minimalism avoids this trap by utilizing a neutral palette and clean lines. It is quiet design. A kitchen defined by flat panel cabinetry, natural stone, and a monochromatic color scheme, whites, grays, woods, does not demand your constant attention. It recedes into the background, allowing the life happening inside the kitchen to be the focal point. Because the design is not screaming for attention, you never get sick of it. It is a calm, visual silence that remains refreshing year after year. 2. Adaptability. The chameleon effect. A maximalist kitchen dictates your style. If you have a farmhouse kitchen with shiplap walls and apron sinks, you are locked into a rustic aesthetic. You cannot easily pivot to a modern or industrial look without a sledgehammer. Evolution over renovation. A minimalist kitchen, however, is a chameleon. It provides a foundational blank slate. Because the bones of the kitchen are simple and unadorned, the room's personality can be completely transformed through low-cost accessories. Want warmth? Add a vintage runner rug, wooden cutting boards, and terracotta pots. Want modern edge? Swap the pendant lights for matte black fixtures and add abstract art. Want color? Introduce a bright red espresso machine or a bowl of lemons. In a minimalist space, you can change the entire vibe of the room according to the season or your evolving taste without ever calling a contractor. 3. Functionality never goes out of style. Trends are often about form over function. Remember the nightmare of cleaning those intricate, carved cabinet doors. Minimalism, by definition, puts function first. It is an architectural discipline derived from the Bauhaus principle: form follows function. The ergonomic legacy. A minimalist kitchen focuses on the work triangle, the efficient relationship between the stove, the sink, and the refrigerator. It prioritizes wide walkways, deep drawers for accessible storage, and uncluttered countertops for prep work. Logical layouts. A kitchen that is easy to cook in will never feel dated. We will never wake up in 2040 and decide that convenience is out of style. By investing in the layout and utility of the space rather than the ornamentation, you are investing in the permanent usability of the home. 4. Materials that age with grace. Patina. Trendy kitchens often rely on synthetic materials that look perfect on day one but deteriorate quickly. Laminates peel, trendy colors chip, and coated fixtures scratch. Timeless minimalism relies on honest materials: solid wood, natural stone, marble, granite, quartzite, stainless steel, and glass. These materials have a unique quality. They do not just get old, they develop a patina. The beauty of age. A marble countertop might etch over 10 years, or a walnut cabinet might lighten in the sun. In a minimalist design, this is viewed as character, not damage. It adds a layer of warmth and history to the home. Because the materials are authentic, they retain their value and beauty indefinitely, unlike plastic or veneer which simply looks broken as it ages. 5. The real estate perspective, broad market appeal. If you view your home as a financial asset, minimalism is the safest bet. When selling a home, the kitchen is the single most influential room for buyers. The move-in ready factor, a highly stylized kitchen, e.g., bright blue cabinets or retro tiling, is a risk. It limits your buyer pool to people who share your specific taste. A prospective buyer looks at a trendy kitchen and subtracts $30,000 from their offer, mentally calculating the cost of ripping it out. A minimalist kitchen appeals to almost everyone. It allows buyers to envision their life in the space. It signals cleanliness, modernity, and care. Even if the buyer's personal style is maximalist, a minimalist kitchen is a high-quality base they can build upon, not a mistake they have to fix. 6. Sustainability is the future. We are entering an era where sustainability is not just a buzzword, but a requirement. The fast fashion mentality of home decor, ripping out a kitchen every 10 years to stay on trend, is becoming socially and environmentally unacceptable. The 30-year kitchen. A minimalist kitchen is a sustainable kitchen because it is built to last 30 years or more. By choosing a design that doesn't date, you reduce the waste associated with demolition and renovation. Timelessness is the ultimate form of eco-friendly design. Conclusion: to choose a minimalist kitchen is to step off the treadmill of trends. It is a decision to prioritize peace over excitement, quality over quantity, and longevity over novelty. While other styles shout for attention, the minimalist kitchen whispers. It is a space that respects your investment and your peace of mind, proving that while fashions fade, simplicity, utility, and elegance are truly forever.